Hello everyone. Start off by taking this container, take a marker, make these lines at the bottom, make dotted lines at the top and cut it out according to these lines. Now join the sides at the top and then underneath it. Add these hands-like shape to it as well. Add eyes at the top as well and then add a little bow in the middle of the neck. Add polka dots on your bow and then add these ear shapes at the back. Now add these curvy lines at the bottom as such and then begin to color each of these things in. Using a blade, cut it all out and then bend the ears in front. Next, in order to make this basket, start off by taking this container and then afterwards it can be a soap disposal container. Draw these dotted lines all around it and then afterwards take this tape and then make a line on it at the top as such. Now taking a bottle cap, make these curvy lines to the base. Now begin to use a blade and then cut it out according to the lines that you have created. Do not forget to include the handle into this. Now, as you are cutting it out, as you can see it might be slightly hard, make sure that you go exactly according to the line. You may go according to the dotted line as well. This will help you create the handle. Now you may add a decorative piece in the front. We have made this out of paper. Next, start off by taking a pink container and then draw on a flamingo using a red marker as such. Make it go all the way to the back and now using your blade, begin to cut out the shape that you have traced out. Add this wing-like shape at the back and then afterwards color all of it in, insert a plant into it. Next, we'll start off by taking our container, draw these dotted lines along the front of it, and then make this V shape out of it on one of the sides. Now afterwards, begin to cut it along this. Cut it along the dotted lines that you have made. Once you have cut off the top, once again, make sure that it is as even as possible. Add glue to the sides and then stick some flowers to it as such. Now add some plant on the inside of this. Thank you for watching.